Hey everyone, so this is my MONETAG account just as you can see on the screen. And this account have been used in many of my videos. So today I'm actually going to share with you the MONETAG strategy and also the ADSTERRA strategy. So these are my two accounts I'm actually going to use on both ADSTERRA and MONETAG. Of course, if you're using a propeller ad or hilltop ad, you can try this strategy and it will actually work for you as simple as that. Moreover, if you're using only money tag, you can try this strategy. If you're using only Adstera, you can try this same strategy. If you're using both or the three of them, you can still try the same strategy. So what you need to do is just follow this particular video from the beginning to an end, and that's all. Now, as you can see on the screen here, look at this website here. As you can see, now I created this all by myself, all right, with the help of I was able to create this all by myself. It looks very professional. Just easy as that. And then we're actually going to create something similar or easily or something good where we can promote our office like this right here. Now you can switch it from this is on the normal mode. You can switch it to your desktop mode. You can switch it to your tablet mode. You can even switch it from tablet to your phone. All right, this is how it's actually gonna look like on your mobile device. Now let's dive into the video and let me show you what you need to do. Now first thing first, just open your chat GPT. All right, once you open your chat GPT, just open it to the main platform. Now again, please and please go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, which is Mr. Henry. All what I do is to make money with you guys, nothing else. So go ahead and subscribe right now. This is the current channel you're watching the video on. Go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to share this video with your friends too. And then the more you turn on the notification bell, the more you get notification from me whenever I upload a new video. A link to my WhatsApp and my Telegram can be found under the description of this particular video. You can join me out there as we are all moving forward. All right, good. Now, once you have your chat GPT right here, I have a prompt to share with you. Now, this is my first prompt I'm actually going to use. Now, these are not big deals prompt or they are not plenty prompts. So you can just take them from the video, or if you have any problem with it, you can either still join me to the Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Of course, these two links will be shared, or these two prompts they will be shared in my WhatsApp and my Telegram groups. Now, this is what I have here. Hi, I have a MONETAG and ADSTERRA DirectLink. I want to promote these direct links using website. Can you give me the idea for creating website? So we give it like this. So what we're actually looking for is an idea to create a website. Now we have first one to be our giveaway landing page. We have the entertainment viral news sites. We have the free tools websites. We have the simple quiz, which is the pool website. We have the blog style niche. We have the redirecting landing page, one page only, and a lot of them. So you can try any of them by what you're actually going to look at it here. All right, now if you don't want any of this one, I'll go ahead and just chat GPT to give me more ideas. So come here, get the prompt, and then come to where it says you can paste it at this session, tell chat GPT to give you more ideas, and more ideas will be given. So these are more ideas, website idea for promoting your smart link. We have the movie and series streaming sites. We have the free download page, the crypto money making tip, dating chat sites, gaming and free coin, survey spin to that of that. All right. So let's say I would like to go in for dating or chatting sites. That's very cute, right? Yeah. So just go through any of these that you prefer, and then this is our next prompt that you're actually going to use for chat GPT. Come here, pick any of these ones and just insert it here. So what I'm actually going to tell chat GPT is to give me a prompt to create let's say I actually want the dating um slash chat site. All right, so this is actually a fake thing that you're trying to create. So a simple landing page with pictures, meet singles near you, add a button, start chatting now, redirect to smart link, just as easy like that. So just give the prompt to ChatGPT, and this is what ChatGPT is actually going to give you. Now, once you have it like this, don't worry because you don't have anything. So the next thing you're actually gonna do is to just take the whole of this thing, copy it, and then still give it to ChatGPT. All right, and then ChatGPT is actually gonna take time to give you all the script. This time we don't have it, but still go ahead and give it, or say I've already written the prompt clearly. If you want, I can work by. All right, so just say yes. Just say yes to ChatGPT. All right, once you say yes to ChatGPT, it's actually going to write you whatever you need right here. Now you can see ChatGPT is writing everything that we probably need for us, and then we are good to go. Now I'm actually going to share with you two websites you can use it to create your landing page. Now you have this right here. How will we transfer this or transform this into a proper landing page so people will get to see what they actually trying to engage themselves in? That is our problem right now. So it says here is a ready to use dating that of that template. Our money tag link will be inserted. Our ADSTERRA link will also be inserted. Then we are good to go. Now the next step we are actually gonna do here is to just come to the first website I'm actually gonna share with you is the Rocket AI. All right, Rocket AI. Rocket AI is just it helps you to build websites. It's basically for websites only. It helps to build websites on your mobile device or your app. So what you need to do is just feed in with your work. And the next one I'm actually gonna use, we want just a simple one for our money or we want it for our revenue sake. So we're actually gonna use the blogger.com for a simple thing. But don't worry, I'll cover a video to show you guys how to use the Rocket AI. It's very powerful and very useful too as well. So just come to your blogger.com. Just come to your blogger.com. Once you come to your blogger.com, click on it down here, scroll down to see new blog. Now, what is the name of the blog? Since we are talking about dating, what you're actually gonna write could be like um say singles meet point, singles meet point. Just click on next. Just come on here and just write singles meet points. Right, so it's available for us, so let's still use it. Singles meet points. This is so cool, guys. Right, so once you have it, just scroll down here, click on view blog. Once you click on view blog, it says there is nothing here. Now since there is nothing here, we are actually going to bring something here. Is that not so? Yeah. Now come to where it says theme. Right, click on this icon, switch it to first generation classic theme, switch without a backup. Right, come back again, click on change navbar, switch down or scroll down, click on off, and then we are good to go. Right, the next thing you need to do is just click on edit HTML. Now you can see you have the HTML of the already created site. What you need to do is just go ahead and highlight the whole of this and delete it. Once you delete it, get back to your chat GPT. All right, here is my scripts. All right, so I have the script here. Click on copy code, get back to your singles meet, and then paste in the code here. Now click on the save button. It says update successful. Now let's go back and see how it looks like. Click on view blog and we have something like this. Meet singles near you. Wow. Now people are really interested in something to do with dating and a lot. Now what you need to do is just click on any of this, start chatting, and then it will actually take you because there is nothing working. Click on start chatting. There is nothing working here. Click on start chatting, and there's nothing working here. And this is where your money tag and your AdSterra links comes directly in right there. I really love the interface I'm actually viewing. Say meet singles near you. So the next thing you're actually gonna do here is to just visit your money tag and your AdSterra. Now copy this link right here. We can either request for add new smart link if you prefer. But in this case, let's say I have an active one here, I'll use it, but you can go ahead and do that. Now come to this aspect which say edit HTML. Alright, so you scroll down till you get to know your money tag link. So it says um here is your money tag link. All right, you should, yeah, this is your money tag, this is your money tag, this is your AdSterra. All right, so I copied the AdSterra. Let me come here and then paste it right here. Right, so this is my AdSterra. It has been copied. Let's get back to my money tag. All right, now you can request for a new one if you want, but I already have a new one here. So just click on copy link, get back to your work, and then make sure you take the whole of this. Right, so you are trying to use the money tag. Right, so you have it right here. Come to this aspect, I think you have it twice here. Delete it and then paste it right here. Now this is what you have here. Go ahead and click on the save button. It has been updated successfully. Now get back, click on view blog again. Alright, so this is what we have, and this is how our magics actually works. Now it gives a good inscription. It says currently 1246 users online, and it's not true. You and I know that it's never true. So just click on start chatting and you can see how the magic is working right now. So you see our start chatting has redirect us, right? So get back to, here is it, get back to the work, start chatting. Here is also has redirected us. So let's get back, and these two are seems to be like they are from MONETAG, right? So let's click on the last one, which is this, and then this is actually, it has not been working perfectly. That means our AdSterra couldn't work perfectly. All right, I think the AdSterra can be found here. All right, this is our AdSterra link. This is our AdSterra link. So the AdSterra link is here. All right, this means we couldn't get a place to insert this, but then we can get back and just scroll through and find wherever AdSterra is, we can replace it with our link. All right, so I'll scroll through. Okay, I think this aspect has not been inserted. All right, so let's say I want to take the whole of this. You see, you can find money tag there. And let's say I want to use AdSterra instead of the money tag link. So I'll copy it, come back to it, and then insert it right here. All right, click on save button, and then let's try it again and see. View blog. Let's click on the last one here. So you can see our money tag or our AdSterra link is also working. So which means that these two, this one and this one are for AdSterra, and this one and this one are for money tag. So you can start sharing your blog spot here either on Facebook. You visit your Facebook account. Do I even have a Facebook account? Yeah, you visit your Facebook account. All right, so you have a TikTok, you have a friends page, start sharing it right here. All right, you start sharing your link to people, go to people's comment, or you can get a picture, you can get a lady's picture, you can get something about dating, then you start posting it right here. But make sure you don't over post it in order for your account to get banned, right? So make sure of that, and then you're good to go. Now this is what you have here, and you can start making money with this cool strategy right here. If you found this helpful, please go ahead and follow or subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing content like this. Join the WhatsApp and the Telegram channel. Of course, both the links can be found under the description of this particular video. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video, and I hope to see you in my next video.